The PowerPoint Copilot just got upgraded. Next time you want to create a presentation, don't go to this Copilot. Start a blank new slide and click on this Copilot icon. No, do not use your corporate template. First work with the blank one. The final output you can paste into corporate template. So click on create a presentation about and write your prompt. I'm going to paste it to save time. Now it's going to tell me what topics it's going to cover, and then finally it will give me a button called generate slides. Now you'll say this was the same thing which was happening earlier, even if you had used the right side pane. No, the difference is this. First, the prompt is still editable. So if I want to, I have changed my mind, I can always go modify something, add something, and then redo the whole process. Second, all these items are selectable. So if I wanted to change the order of things, go to this 6 dots or the drag area and rearrange the presentation. And probably the most important empowering thing is in the beginning, in between, and at the end, there is a nice plus sign where you can give an add-on prompt and say, okay, give me something more. So I'm saying add case studies. Now that we are ready with it, let's say generate slides. You will think, oh, I can rearrange the slides here, but no. Why rearranging was not given here? Because in slide sorter view, you can anyway rearrange PowerPoint, isn't it? So here it created 23 slides, which is amazing. And look at the output, consistent theme, that means typography, fonts, color scheme, layout, and so on. It has also found relevant pictures and it has also created sections. Also notice that it has created slide notes for all slides. You can download these files. Link is in the description. Here is another example. I'm asking to create financial planning and analysis for startups. And I'm going to ask it to add 5 most commonly used tools for financial analysis and planning. Click send and it should do the job. Now let's say generate slides and see what it does. Amazingly, it created a 32 slide presentation. And look at what happened about the tools which we had talked about. Common tools, it had just given me a list earlier, but now it has created a slide for each of those tools. That's what I mean, less effort and more impact. I work with customers globally to help them improve the adoption and value from Copilot. If you are interested, send me a mail. Email ID is in the description. And if you found this useful, share it with all your colleagues and friends. To learn more and continue to be more efficient, subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.